Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PlayStation 4 controller on PC for Minecraft Java Edition. First, let's get your controller connected. You can use a standard USB cable for a direct, reliable connection. Alternatively, for wireless play, activate Bluetooth pairing mode on your controller by simultaneously holding down the PlayStation button and the share button until the light bar flashes. Then, simply find and pair it through your computer's Bluetooth settings. This initial step is crucial for seamless gameplay. Next, we'll set up PS4 Windows, a fantastic, free and open-source tool that makes this all possible. Head to the official PS4 Windows website and download the latest version. Once downloaded, extract the files to a folder you can easily access. Then, launch the PS4 Windows application. It will guide you through a quick initial setup, including installing necessary drivers. This program is essential because it tricks your computer into thinking your PlayStation 4 controller is an Xbox 360 controller, which Minecraft Java understands perfectly. With PS4 Windows installed, let's configure it for optimal Minecraft play. Open the application and go to the Profiles tab. Here, you can create a new profile, perhaps naming it Minecraft Java. This allows you to customize button mappings, stick sensitivity, and even light bar colors. Take some time to set up controls that feel natural to you. A key step is to ensure the Hide PS4 controller option is checked in the settings to prevent your computer from registering two inputs simultaneously, which can cause issues. Finally, it's time to jump into Minecraft Java Edition. Make sure PS4 Windows is running in the background before you launch the game. Minecraft should now automatically detect your PlayStation 4 controller as an Xbox 360 controller, ready for action. Hop into a world and test out your new controls. If anything feels off, you can quickly Alt-Tab back to PS4 Windows to make minor adjustments to your profile. Enjoy exploring, building, and surviving in Minecraft with the comfort of your PlayStation 4 controller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.